Hello friends, welcome to my new video, how to make a CNC writing machine. So, component I'm using here is very cheap and you can easily find out in your local hardware shop, and some electronic component need to buy, which is readily available in Amazon. So let's discuss. So, basically I am dividing in two parts. One is hardware part. The hardware part is like here. Hardware part is first of all plywood sheet. Plywood is needed to make the body. Now some steel rods, very thin steel rod like this, and this steel rod you can easily find out in Amazon, or you can actually uh, get it from a printer, an old printer. So easily available. Now the CNC belt available in Amazon. Some screw-on nuts, which is available in your local shop, glue gun, and Allen key. Allen key is for tightening the pulley, just like this. This type of pulley with NEMA motor usually have some holes, which can be tightened with the help of Allen key. Allen key is simply like this type of key. Keys and with some grooves. With the help of this groove, you can tighten the screw. Now, in electronic part, you need a two NEMA motor. NEMA motor is very powerful. Actually, the weight, which is of the XY slider, is pretty high. So you need a NEMA motor to drive those XY slider. One servo motor, which is very cheap, and for controlling the motor, you need a two combo. One is Arduino development board, and another is CNC. And CNC shield actually comes with some NEMO motor driver. Here we use the 398 NEMO motor driver and some jumper wire and DC voltage supply, which is ranging from 12 to 32 volt. I am giving the 12 volts power supply. Next, I will discuss about how to make the XY slider. That means with the help of this slider, it can move along X direction, positive X direction or negative X direction. And we need another this module which move along plus y and plus minus y direction, and for the z direction, just due to the which is needed to moving the pen up and down during writing, we can actually control it with the help of some servo motor. So here you see this is the plywood board, and you cut it according to the length of the rod available to you. This is the rod actually. We need two rods for each slider, and this is the slider actually. This slider you can make with the help of some pin. You cut the pin body in two parts, and you can make the slider. And two round shape pencil also can be used with the to slide the these two slider. Okay, this is the NEMA motor, and here we attached a groove to hold the CNC belt. Actually, this is the belt, CNC belt. You need to put the belt here from this, and you just wrap it and then come down to it with the help of this. Now you just put a screw here so that when the NEMA motor drives, it actually slides along this direction. So here, this is the positive X direction, and this is the negative X direction. So you just put a small piece of cardboard or plywood here, so it can move along positive X and positive Y direction. So you just make two identical X and Y slider. For X slider, for this, and for Y slider, another piece of that. To derive the, now I will discuss about the CNC seal. As you see, this is the diagram of a CNC seal. So this is the motor driver place for controlling the X slider, and this is the motor driver place for controlling the Y slider. And we actually do not need the Z slider because we are controlling the Z upward and downward motion of the pen using this stepper, Z stepper. Here we attach the signal pin of servo motor and power it with the help of plus and negative. Plus 5 volt is needed for the servo motor. Now, this is the A4988 motor driver. Before installing it, you just need to install the heatsink here over this. So this is the thermal paste. So you just remove that portion here and attach it. So it acts as a heatsink. Now, if you inspect it closely, you will see enable pin is here, and you need to install the driver here. Before installing it, you need to sort those 2 points. Okay. So you need to install two driver for two motion, X and Y motion. Okay. As you see from the diagram. So these are the wire attached here. Pneumo motor 1 and pneumo motor 2 is attached here. And instead of this, we're using a servo. Okay. So these are the thing for the CNC of this. And this is actually the motor driver. As you see, as we discussed earlier, we need two driver. Okay, for X and for Y. And for Z direction, we need a servo motor. And USB port is here, and we can supply plus 12 volt here. Okay, so this is the whole setup. Now I will discuss the software part, how you can control the Nemo motor. With the help of the some software, you can easily draw some diagram, or you can you first draw the vector images and then transport it to the universal code center, and then you can easily draw. So just keep patience. Now let's talk about the software part. As you see, I'm opening Arduino IDE here. Actually, I am opening the GRBL master, and this GRBL master you can easily find out in GitHub library. Then you just go to the sketch and then include library, and then add zip library. And once you add it, you can open it from here. Um, like example, you can open it through example. First go to the file and then open the example, and this is the GRBL upload. And you need to upload it to your Arduino board. And after that, you open another software, and this software is actually the Universal Code Center, G Code Center. So as you see, this is the actually the software. You just click the port, and you can easily find out the which port it is actually attached to it, and you can change the baud rate, and then connect. Once you connect it, and then you get the jog controller, and with the help of this jog controller, you actually move your X and Y and also the Z axis. And with the help of this, you can also actually calibrate the motion of the slider along X and Y direction. Once you complete it, now you can use any other software to draw the vector image, and then just put it here and then draw accordingly. So this is the whole setup. And if you need any other information, then you can make comment in the comment box. Thank you. Thank you for your patience. Now you can see my complete CNC plotter, and with this CNC plotter you can easily find out that X and Y direction it is moving, and with the help of this I'm just drawing a square where I set X direction 10 millimeter, that is 1 centimeter. So each side of the box is 10 centimeter. So with the help of this you can draw your own diagram, So if you want to make a good picture or any other complex diagram, you go for InSpace where you draw your own diagram, then bring it here with the help of your universal G sender. You can draw the diagram you needed and calibrate it. Thank you. Thank you.